Have you been thinking about moving to Summerville, South Carolina, and more specifically, the Nexton neighborhood? And do you love touring model homes? Well, you are in the right place. We're gonna be looking at the Ashton Woods Overton model, 2 stories with a loft. It is gorgeous, so stick around. When nothing goes right, go left. Here we are at Nexton in Summerville. Model home row. Way down there is the greeting house, a great place for you to start your tour, and they'll tell you all about the neighborhood and the builders. But today we are looking at this. This is the Overton by Ashton Woods here at Nexton. It is this, as you see it, is over $900,000, and you will see why, part of which is because above the detached garage out back is a full apartment, complete with laundry room, full kitchen, everything. You'll see it, which is amazing. But this one, as pictured, is 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, and it can be a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. We'll show you the flex space downstairs. But it's 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, 2,700 plus square feet. Lovely front porch, and that is part of living here in Nexton. Is the porch life. I'll give you a view of that. You have to love it. And you've got tall ceilings upstairs and downstairs in this model. You step right into foyer, but it's also got a little bit of foyer here, but to your right is this lovely dining space, separate dining space. Got the board and batten accent walls, lots of natural light. Love it. This is a large table. It doesn't really show with this widescreen camera, but it's a good size. And then, if you've been watching these tours with me, you know I love it, the butler's pantry. And this one is quite spacious. Lots of extra cabinetry. You got the wine cooler down there. You got the glass doors. And then this pantry is impressive. And again, it's just not doing justice of just how spacious this is. One of my favorite pantries. Obviously those counters are not standard. That would be an upgrade. We come to the kitchen. Obviously, Nexton is a gas neighborhood. This would be an upgraded kitchen. This is the model. Everything is upgraded. Super large island there, which has seating. Open concept. So there you go, and it's nice because you get the overhang. Not a waterfall countertop, but you got the overhang, which allows you to hide those stools underneath it. Really like the backsplash, the herringbone backsplash, and you gotta love a pot filler. Boy, does that make life easy when you're cooking. Love the farmhouse sink. Actually, the flooring is great. Of course, it's a luxury laminate that's near indestructible, waterproof. We're gonna come back. We'll see this on the way out to the 2-car garage and the apartment. But we'll just kind of take a look back this way. And actually, before we go up those stairs, you got to take a look up here because we passed by that by going to the dining room. So we'll take a little look. Those sliders out there are an upgrade, and it is a wonderful screened-in porch. So you got your dine-in space here, open to the living space. Just some extra storage under the closet. They got some junk in there, so we won't look. But look at this. This would normally be a flex space and a half bath. This looks like it's a half bed until you step in here and see that there's a full shower. And you've got floor to ceiling tile. Luxurious. This is an excellent space for your guests. You could potentially have family living with you down here. It is the guest bath when you have guests over, but a very nice room and a little bit of a surprise with it too. That is a nice spacious walk-in closet. Look at this. And this is part of the reason someone could actually live here, because this is not tiny. All right, we're gonna kind of breeze by the screened-in porch and then zip upstairs. But look at how spacious this is. Really lovely. And actually, even the details in the ceiling. Well, hey, super quick break from your tour just to say, if you need help with your home search here in the Lowcountry around Charleston, Summerville, or the surrounding areas, please do not hesitate to reach out to us. Our information is down below. We love to help you become our neighbors and our friends here at the Charleston For Real team, so please reach out. All right, back to the tour. And voila, right up to a family loft space, great for schooling, movie nights, gaming. Let the kids kind of own this space if you want to. Love the window seats that they've got over there. Really, really nice space. So back through here is the primary. We'll get back to that in a moment. So let's look at the two other upstairs bedrooms. Great views out here. And anywhere you are in Nexton, you've got green spaces and parks, all within walking distance. Reach-in closet. And these two bedrooms, we're going to share that bathroom. So it's not a Jack and Jill, but between the two bedrooms, you've got this laundry space. It is not super large. In fact, you know, imagine you might be fighting with those two doors a little bit. You do have space above, and of course with these tall ceilings you can really maximize your space that goes up. And then this room must be larger. I've not seen the dimensions yet, but this room feels really spacious, especially compared to the one we just came from. And again, kind of like the downstairs guest bedroom, this one also is complemented by a nice walk-in closet. And what of course is even better is you got a window in here. I love that. All right, to the hall bath. Just a little linen closet, nothing special. Here it is, dual vanities in this one. Quartz countertop. Good old shower tub combo. Decked out with a spa look. Good job, Ashton Woods. And as probably been mentioned before, Ashton Woods has a really good design center down on Daniel Island. So you're able to pick whatever you want. And here it is, the primary, the master, the whatever you want to call it. This is your bedroom. Really nice space. And plenty of room for your furniture. Wonderful natural light in here. Like the board and batten detailing. Again, all this kind of stuff you can get Ashton Woods to help you with. Dual vanities, lots of space between them. It's even wider than it seems in person than it does on camera. Go back to that walk-in closet and we'll get a better view of the shower on the way out. Water closet, and actually goes around the corner. So even as it's pictured, a lot of space, but if you do some closet organizers, if you put some closet organizers in here, you've got closet space for days. All right, so separate tub and shower. quite lovely. Just like we pointed out downstairs, you've got floor to ceiling tile work. I love tile on that floor. All right, we are going to zip down and out to catch the backyard. And we're gonna zip down and out. We're gonna catch that mudroom, little drop zone, as well as the apartment. And we'll take a quick view from high on the stairs. Always like this vantage point. Just another angle. And here it is, that drop zone that we mentioned earlier. It's actually quite a large space. Love what they've done here. Of course, you'd be coming in from your detached two-car garage there. A little extra storage. They've got some junk in there. So now, let's check out the yard and the apartment. So that is a construction office right in front of us. You can kind of see some lights on in through the windows, possibly. Not a lot of yard space between the house and the two-car garage, but you do have a little bit over here on this side. Done a great job with the hardscaping out here. So you get plenty of room. You can fence off between here, plenty of room for your dog. And then of course, mention it inside, I believe, but Nexton is known. You've got green space, parks, and trails all within very short walking distance, very intentionally designed this way. So don't worry about the yard. You can do what you need to do. And then you've got all kinds of places to go to enjoy. Well, look, right there, green space. And the amenity center is just around the corner. So two-car garage. Okay, well there's the detached apartment. They have actually already locked it up for the day. They locked me out. And so if you want to see it, actually go to the tour that I did with my daughter Grace, and we'll have that linked at the end here. All right, this has been Ashton Woods Overton floor plan here at Nexton, and it's pretty amazing.